Did you know that a single leaking outdoor faucet could cost you up to $1,000 a year on your water bill? In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair that leaky faucet yourself without replacing the whole thing or calling a plumber. The process is surprisingly simple, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can get it done. I'll walk you through step by step how I fixed mine, and also show you how to repair the 4 most common types of outdoor faucets, even if yours doesn't look exactly like mine. If you're not ready to do the full repair, or if you just need a temporary fix, get one of these special faucet caps. You simply screw it onto the end of the faucet, and it will stop the leak instantly, even if the valve is wide open. These caps are tough, cheap, and incredibly effective. Step 1. Shut off the water. Before doing any work, shut off the water to your outdoor faucet. If your faucet has an individual shutoff valve, use that. Otherwise, turn off your home's main water supply. Once the water is off, open the faucet to drain any remaining water from the line. Step 2. Remove the handle. In my case, the faucet is in the garage, but the process is the same for outdoor valves. Start by removing the handle. Mine was held in place with a small nut, so I used a socket wrench. Yours might require just a flathead or Phillips screwdriver. Step 3. Loosen the valve assembly. Most of these valves are old and can be corroded, so spray a little WD-40 around the valve stem, not on the handle, but behind it, to make disassembly easier. The rear part of my valve is thin, so I switched to a slimmer wrench for a better fit. Before turning anything, use a second wrench or a pair of channel locks to firmly hold the body of the faucet. This prevents damage from twisting or breaking it off the wall. Now, loosen the valve stem assembly and unscrew it completely. Don't forget to look for any washers that might still be stuck inside, like this small white plastic one. Step 4. Replace the rubber washer. Almost all outdoor faucet leaks are caused by a worn-out rubber washer on the valve stem. As you can see, mine had a visible crack, a common issue over time. Remove the small Phillips screw holding the washer in place. If it's stuck, spray a little WD-40 and use a solid grip to avoid stripping the screw. Replace the worn washer with a new one. It's best to buy an assorted pack. They're inexpensive and cover nearly every size you'll need. Tighten the screw back in just enough to hold the washer securely. Don't over-tighten. You want the washer to seat properly without deforming. Step 5. Clean and reassemble. Before reassembling, clean the inside of the faucet body. Dirt or debris can interfere with a good seal. A toothbrush and some WD-40 or soap and water work fine. Insert the valve stem back into the faucet and hand tighten it. Then use your wrench to snug it up. It doesn't need to be super tight. Reattach the handle and secure it. Step 6. Adjust the handle. Test the handle by turning it open and closed. If it feels loose or wobbly, tighten the packing nut behind the handle slightly. If it's too stiff, loosen it a little until it turns smoothly. Step 7. Turn the water back on. With the faucet open and a bucket underneath, turn the water supply back on. No more leaks. Perfect. That simple washer swap just saved you a ton of money and hassle. Common faucet types. Now that you know the basic repair, here's how it applies to 4 other common faucet models. Frost-free faucets. These are common in modern homes. Remove the handle and loosen the nut to pull out the entire valve assembly. You'll find a similar rubber washer at the end. You can either replace just the washer or the entire rod assembly. Old-school wall faucets. These often don't require removing the handle. Just loosen the lower nut and pull out the valve. The washer is right there and super easy to replace. Modern quarter-turn faucets. Again, no need to remove the handle. Just unscrew the top cap to access the washer and swap it out. Specialty frost-free designs. Some use a Phillips screw to hold the washer in place. Same principle as before. Here's the secret most people, and some plumbers, won't tell you. These washers are designed to be replaced. And in nearly every case, doing this one simple fix will stop the leak completely. If replacing the washer doesn't solve the issue, there's a tool called a valve seat cutter or reseating tool you can try. But honestly, if it gets to that point, it's probably easier to just replace the faucet. Replacing the rubber washer is fast, cheap, and incredibly effective. It only takes a few minutes, and it's something just about anyone can do. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.